Thank you for visiting my profile. If you feel the need to improve your English, then I am here to help you. I want you to speak with confidence and clarity, and I want you and your thoughts to find the proper words to use at the proper moment. And I want you to understand the differences between formality and informality and pronounce the words correctly. The way that I can help you is through a powerful language learning platform. When you decide to take lessons with me, you will take a placement test. And at our first lesson, we will go over the placement test and discuss your areas of improvement. And I will explain to you how I can create a personalized learning program just for you. My name is Maria Portillo, and I have been teaching English since 1994. But my professional career began elsewhere. I have a degree in public policy and global business, and I have extensive experience as operations manager and sales and marketing support with major multinational companies. My lessons, in fact, are conversational. I want you to listen, to speak, and write, and based on the difficulties that arise during our lessons, I will give you feedback on grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Helping people succeed in English has been my passion for over 10 years, full time. So I really hope to meet you in class. Take care. Bye.